Hold on.
Okay guys, back at it again. CNC Electronics Sales and Repairs and Sales. Alright, I'm gonna replace these lens for this American audio CD mixer or changer dual disc. But some people would say blast from the past, but it's not that far back. But you know, yeah, it's a blast from the past anyway. It's already gone, but I'm gonna replace the lens. See, lens. So I have here. Oh. Ooh. And these are the original ones for it. Got a box right here. Yeah, same thing on the other side. So yeah, original. Yeah, whichever way you put it. Guys, so I'm going to replace the first one for this side here. The side is there. Let's see, and I'm gonna let you know a secret about this. Is the number two. This is the second side. So a lot of people, guys, don't know this little secret. I see people when I was in Jamaica bought these lens, and you know, some people want to do it themselves and then end up, you know, making a fool of themselves. So now, alright, wow, let me see if I remember correctly. Oh man, alright, let's do this. Here and screw again and screw this. So you have 4 screws at the top with the top of the CD sits right here and the motor, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the anti-shocks for the CD player. You remove those, and then hold on, there's one more little thing here blocking me from taking it up. Okay, and you have some springs here that it sits on, and I told you before it was the anti-shock. So you know, if you bounce it when you're playing, it won't skip the song and stuff like that. Alright, so this is how it looks with the old lens, which I'm gonna take apart like now. Put that right there. Uh-oh, come on, these things are really okay guys. So like this, adjust this a little bit up a little bit more. So yeah, I think you guys can see from there. Alright, and the secret I'm gonna share with you guys now with these lens, when replacing lens, is that, as you guys see, okay, wow, it comes with a cover. Wow, that's nice. Yes, you guys, it comes with a little cover over the top of it to protect the lens so no dust can get inside here. Alright, so let me just leave it there for a while I demonstrate to you guys. Alright, this has go right here, look around it, inspect it. It looks really good, it looks original. Right, so right there is a solder. It's soldered, so it's a bridge right there. So I'll have to unbridge it, you know, so it won't. Wow, crap. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, look, whenever you buy a new lens, yeah, it's, you have to do this to it, like, you know. Don't tell me I would, this wasn't plugged in. Yeah, man, come on. I think I did that. My words. Yes, so yep. Let me see if I can show you right. Well, on this one it's gonna locate right. Some of the other ones it's underneath here, but for this lens it's gonna be right here. So let me see if the model number is on this lens. That really now, yeah, the model number is not on it. Let me see if I can locate it somewhere on this thing. Oh yeah, so the model number is SF-P101N, and it's right there. Yeah, I'm sure you guys can see that. Yeah, this lens is, that's the model number for this lens. Right, so as you guys can see, I'm gonna remove the solder from it like that, so make a space between it so it doesn't make connection anymore. Right, so we should be good to go. If you don't do that, the CD will be inside this thing spinning, just spinning, and it will never play. Yeah, I learned the hard way. But I figured it out after a long, I think it took me like a couple of days. Yeah, so I inspected the other one, what's different, what was it, and I saw that, I was like, wow. But then it was, you couldn't just Google stuff like that. Nope. No, you couldn't. So, alright, so this is the old one. You see, and the old one, it's already removed. So, that's it. Let me remove this level too. Okay. Wow, okay. That should be it right there. Guys, yeah, you don't make this screw that tight. See that? So that's how it reads. That's how it reads the disc. Go that way. Here's the beginning, and then it really goes to the end. Alright, so that's good right there. So that means start it back here, and it was like this. Paste this down just like that onto these little shocks. That's that. Then you have, go again here. have this here. You put here so for some extra protection for this thing not to go. And for this you could just do me from the bottom. I do like this. That's the best way. That way you don't have to bend the ribbon like this with the finger, like force it, and then you know I do it like this with a crab claw, like you know, one at the back, one at the front, and I push the ribbon in. Right, so now you know you gotta have to do this way like this now. The ribbon like this, assembly like yeah, like that. Yep. So that's alright. That's that for the number 2. So let me plug this stuff back in. Right. Let me do this one first, which is the far side, and this one is the easier. This one is right there. Then I plug this one in, which I don't remember unplugging, but okay. Okay, and I'm gonna wrong screwdriver. Come on, man. Why am I using that? Whew. Okay, guys, that's it. I don't know how I made a mistake just now. What it happens? Sometime I would give it a test from here, but I'm not gonna do that until I assemble all the 2 lens in there. Alright, that's good there. Alright, so for now, guys, I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna show you before I did this one. I want to do the same thing the other one, replace the lens, and then I'll get back to you and give it a test and let you know, guys, know if it's working or not. So stay tuned for part 3 of this video. CNC electronics sales and repairs and sale, whichever you guys want to put it, we do it all. So I'm out for now. Back with part 3 shortly.
Hold on.